Hi, this is Herman Book, and today we're going to talk about a software called BoostOptin that launched today. It's a very well thought piece of software that allows you to create really responsive email lists, and that makes it very special. So without having to explain much about it, let me show you, because I think it's better to show than to explain, because sometimes it's not that easy to explain. Anyway, let's jump onto the computer to see how it works. So here's the software. This is called BoostOptin, as I said. This is the dashboard, and when you get in here, it's kind of I would say a little bit confusing, because the first thing you see here are the products that you have, but in reality the first place you should go to is the members area, and this is the basic area, and here you have all the videos and everything you have to do to learn exactly what the software does. And this is basically the software itself. So what does it do? Basically what it does is you create a little piece of code that you will put in your landing page, and that will be connected with either a button, the button that you use to get information here, that where people will tap or click, and or will be connected to an image. Let's say you're doing something that's completely mobile oriented, and then let's say you have a picture of a dog or something, and you are selling dog products, and then you can have a little nice picture of a dog, and you can say, tap my nose or something like that. And when that happens, then what the software is going to do, it's going to present the lead with a pre-made email. You already set up the email address, the subject line, you can say, and type anything you want, something like please send me this information or something like that, anything in that order, and you can type in an email message body, and all that you do here, it will automatically be on that email that you will be presented with, or that your lead will be presented with, and the only thing they will have to do is send. And once that email is sent, and this is the important part, obviously, because it happens automatically, it will use the email that was set as default for that device. And normally people use their email, the email they actually use for those devices. So instead of being in a situation where you have a landing page with a field, enter your email, where people very often just go and enter some throwaway email, or some email that they never check, just in order to get your lead magnet, you will avoid that situation, because you basically, what you'll be doing is forcing them to send you that first email using their standard email address. And what that will do is, number one, will send you first from them to you an email, which will tell, let's say they're using Google, will tell Google that, oh, this person is interested in that email address. When that email responds, it's not going to be something that's going to be sent into the junk folder. It will be considered like something important. It probably will be marked important, automatically placed in the inbox, not in some promotion section. And number two, you will have this person expecting that email back, because this is some kind of psychology trick that will make them believe and want to get that whatever they requested, because they saw the email that's going out, they are expecting something back. That's normal, and that's good. That's what this software does, and this is basically the heart of the software. You create a campaign name, you will give the address, the URL of the image that you're using. As I said, it could be a button, but it could also be like a dog, or a nose, or a bell, or something that you can use and tell the person, tap here, click here, or something like that. Then you can use, which I like, for retargeting, the tracking ID. And here is, for instance, an idea of how that tracking ID can be found. You have training how to use that, and then it's basically how you create the email. One thing I don't like that much is, like, you have to write a complete email in this little tiny mini space. So the best thing I would say is to create the email like in Notepad, and then just paste it here, because if not, it's kind of, you don't know what you're typing. If you make a mistake or something like that, you won't be able to see exactly what you did. So my suggestion is create it first in Notepad, which is definitely not a bad idea to have your swipes set, separately, and then just paste it here. And then there is another option which is very, very interesting. You have here the option to send. Once a person, let's say you have the landing page, click on this button and then it will create automatically the email that you will see. But in the background, because the email is obviously a separate program, a separate app. Let's say you're using, I don't know, Thunderbird or Outlook or something like that. That app will be open with the email inside of it. Or you're using the Gmail app on a telephone or on a mobile device. So that app will come to the foreground and will cover the browser behind it. But behind in the background, what's going to happen is that if you have the forward after tab, you can put another URL here, so that when they send the email and the app is closed and they come back, you will see another page. So what you can do for this page, obviously you don't want to put your thank you page here, but you can put another, like a tripwire offer or something that will give you the opportunity to make some money directly without having to wait until you're doing the drip, your email drip to that person in order to generate an income. So this is an option that you can use, and I think this is very, very interesting. I love the concept. I love the implementation, except for this little tiny space here, because I think it's too small for really, typing an email here. But I think it's very, very good. So let's talk about bonuses. Which bonuses I'm going to offer you. So let's take a look at the bonuses that I have prepared. I have prepared specific bonuses related to lead generation, because obviously this whole thing is about opt-in, boost opt-in. So you basically want to generate leads. How do you do that? Well, this is the one I always have, so I won't talk about a lot about this one, but one thing you can see here is the fact that you have a free autoresponder that gives you the opportunity to build a list of up to 15,000 and send 75,000 emails a month to those up to 15,000 people that you have on that list for free, without you having to pay anything. After that, if you get more, then you have to obviously get into a different level, and then you have to start paying. But as you can see, it's definitely much better in terms of price and what you get for free than any of the popular ones like Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, and all of them. And then you have here a list building profit kit. This is a complete bundle, a complete course that teaches you how to set up your list building. Obviously, you would have one little change, because all these courses basically use a standard landing page where you have fields, but you will change that. But everything else, how to nurture your list, how to make your list trust you, how to develop a relationship with your list. This is all in these bonuses that I have here. List building profit kit, lead generation on demand in any niche, and lead generation for beginners. If you're starting, it will give you a very good concept about how it should work. And you also have an option to build a list at warp speed. This is basically using viral ideas, how to do that. And this is also how to use viral ideas to create your list. Because if you have that concept clear in your mind, you can, from the money, or, let's say you buy clicks and you buy clicks for 50 cents. But if you find a way of making that click 2 clicks, then you're paying 25 cents for those 2 clicks. So this is what you can achieve when you implement some kind of viral loop in your lead generation system. So, and that's what this one talks about. And the one I always also give, this is about mindset, because you do need mindset in everything that's related to internet marketing, because you're sitting alone. You have to do stuff by yourself without having somebody else push you. So you have to have the right mindset that will motivate you to day in and day out do whatever you have to do in order to achieve success in your business. So this is basically everything about BoostOptin. I I hope that you see the benefit of finding this different way of lead generation, where the person actually sends you an email first, and that way opens, you know, the gates from Google, Yahoo, and all those different email programs, so that your emails, when they come back, don't go into the you know, the spam folder, something that you definitely want to avoid. So, and basically they are considered something important and interesting because the person started the whole process, right? So I hope you find it interesting. I don't know if you want to buy, then it's your decision. I have, I think, enough buttons where you can click and get your copy of it and benefit from all the bonuses that I have for you. So this is Mr. Book signing out.